we have a very clear case, a very clear economic case for investing in road safety, because we know that the benefits are much higher than the costs. The benefits are much higher than the costs. Greg Smith, at the beginning of the session today, showed that in the case of Morocco, the benefit-cost ratio was 33. So the benefits are 33 times the cost that we are estimating of implementing certain road safety measures. The problem is that we have the economic case, but investment is not happening. Why is it not happening? Well, ideally, it would have to happen with the public sector investing in road safety, but the public sector lacks the fund or lacks the will to do it. There is no political will. The problem is, why, if we have this huge, this so evident economic case, why isn't the private sector investing in road safety? And the answer is because we have the economic case, but we don't have the business case. If we want the private sector to invest in road safety, there has to be a clear business case. And a business case means that we need to monetize part of the benefits that we are generating when we invest in road safety. These benefits accrue to the health system, accrue to private individuals, accrue to insurance companies. We need, if we want the private sector to invest in road safety, there needs to be a revenue stream that pays back the investment that the private sector is doing, because otherwise the private sector will not invest. As Deepan was saying, probably with this the development of sustainable finance markets, there is an opportunity, because the private sector wants to invest in impact projects that have an impact. This means projects that generate a financial return and that have a social impact, that help correct an externality that exists. Okay? This is an opportunity. If we want this to develop, we need to measure what this impact is. And here is where the iRAP data can be extremely helpful, because we have a wealth of data in terms of the cost of investment, in terms of the cost of crashes, meaning how much we can save when we invest in road safety. There is a very important report from iRAP, a 2016 report, using data from the Transport Accident Commission in Victoria, in Australia, where more than 40,000 crashes were analyzed, and there is a very detailed data on the cost of these crashes. So we know exactly how much the crashes cost, and therefore how much we can save if we invest in road safety. So this is where really all the data that iRAP has can help in somehow making it possible to attract private investment to road safety projects.